bought a ticket and there's no turning back now. Round and around like
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. It's a day we're gonna do a mukbang. Yeah, I know. Like, girl, you already fat, you gonna do a mukbang? Yep, a mukbang. Y'all, I made a video for y'all last night of me doing my hair. You remember how I kept talking about my storage? Well, guess what? I had to erase everything, delete everything, like restart, new phone type thing. Cause yes, I don't have a camera yet, so I'm recording off my iPhone. But anyways, let's talk, y'all, while I do my little mukbang. What y'all want to talk about tonight? Like, what y'all want to talk about? We ain't gonna talk about nothing. We can talk about business related things, but we ain't got to. It's whatever. But if y'all want to know what I'm eating tonight, I'm finna show y'all. And do not judge me, because I'm not going to eat all this. I just fixed it, just because. I bet y'all saying she is eating all that food, but I'm not. No, I'm not. This is it, y'all. And I bet y'all be like, what? Okay, fried chicken, a salad with shrimp, lemon, and banana peppers. Like, I bet y'all said, that's not even a meal. How'd that come about? Well, it came about like this. I took out some chicken, like, last night, and I didn't cook it, so I put them in the bottom of the refrigerator, and I was like, oh, okay, I gotta cook it now. But then I had a taste for some shrimp. So it's like, okay, I'm finna fry this chicken and put some little shrimp on the side. Then I had a little salad stuff in my refrigerator. Okay. It's a meal to me. It's a meal to me. Excuse me, y'all. That banana pepper's a little strong. A little stronger, strong. But let me tell y'all, I had did a whole video on my hair, like from start. You know, when I first started on it or whatever, I did a little video. See? And I was letting y'all know. I bet I say, her hair don't look dead. It is. It's done. To me, it is. I don't like that fine, slick look. I like for it to be a little wild. You can tell from the other day, like my birthday day, it looked different. It looked different. Y'all like shrimp? Cause I love shrimp. I love seafood, period. Like crabs. I like whole crabs, live crabs. I love them. I don't really like those crab legs, baby. They don't taste the same to me. I gotta get that meat with that bottom and some good seasoning. That's what I like. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, that's a lemon. This plate's so big, I don't even know where to start.
In case you haven't noticed, you've fallen right into my trap. Can't track justice. It's an idea, a belief.
Y'all finna looking around. My kids are young.
Justice is a non-corrupt. Battles can be melted by the
Huh?
heat of revenge.
Well, y'all can get one of my lemons.
And it's best served cold, but it can be easily heated.
I got a lemon.
Your warranty is about to expire. Maybe I got an extended warranty. Warranties are invalid. You don't use the product for its intended
You
purpose.
better come sit right here.
Call YouTube. Put it down tomorrow.
No. I let y'all have my last one. I gotta have something to drink now.
You need to let it look to. No, so mama do that. She not gonna listen. She'll do something and then put it on YouTube.
That's my other son.
You think I didn't know that? How you think I used to make my YouTube videos? Like just post up.
I'm being a mukbang with me.
Yep. Hello.
office now.
What we gonna talk about tonight, you guys?
Whose side are you on?
Oh, I know.
What?
Y'all, you gonna talk about stuff. Then y'all definitely talk about stuff. We gonna talk about stuff.
So what y'all gonna talk about?
So we gonna talk about stuff what kids talk about, and y'all gonna talk about stuff what grown-ups talk about.
Okay. It's y'all turn to talk. So what y'all gonna talk about?
We gonna talk
You
about
mad genius. Your dark gift is finally paid off.
how good your food is.
It's obviously lying.
Okay, talk then.
Something so good that it really made me spread. I think.
Bubba. Oh no. Oh! He eating harder than me, and he eating lemon.
Lemons are good, but especially when they salty. They so sour when they salty.
You want to talk so bad, I ain't even got nothing to talk about. Me neither. But you can't even see you. That lemon 10 his behind or. I don't really got nothing to talk about neither. I just want y'all to come eat with me. Y'all want some?
You did it, sir.
I was gonna feed y'all. Hey, calm down.
I did it. You did it, sir. I did it. You did it. I did it. What's wrong with you?
Nugget.
Y'all don't eat this big old breast. Most people don't like breast. But I eat meal breast. I sure will. Look out, y'all. He don't even know.
Like, is it awkward? Like, just talking to yourself, and then like it's just awkward.
Yeah, 'cause I don't even know. What's y'all favorite restaurant? Like, what y'all like to eat? Favorite food? My favorite food is French fries. I eat that non-stop every day, all day if I could. And wings.
Wait,
My
you
favorite,
had French
my
fries
favorite hamburger
anywhere?
and chicken nuggets and fries.
What restaurant has French fries?
I like crinkle cut fries. So anybody that sells crinkle cut fries,
Are good for my mom.
y'all love them times.
I like Dairy Queen
I
fries.
bet y'all say, "Damn, how big retail like anything," but I don't. I don't.
Was eliminated was powerful and you.
We like it so much, Benny. It's so much Benny with my mom, but we love little flips and all. Yes. That's my sister.
Evil thing you can possibly do.
And you want to see my sister? She gotta come over to see
Well,
y'all.
I got TikTok. Go follow my
Like
TikTok.
and subscribe.
Tell them my TikTok, Mom.
Like and
Girl,
subscribe.
I'm on your
Comment down
TikTok.
below.
My TikTok is because
Like
I
what your favorite food
Guys,
is.
no,
Like
let's go.
and
Because I am
subscribe.
period.
Comment down below. What's your favorite color is, your favorite food is, or your favorite vegetable? And your favorite drink.
Comment your favorite vegetable they sell and favorite drink.
I'm gonna comment my favorite vegetable drink.
And what's your favorite kind of ice cream?
What's your favorite ice cream? Mine is
What if you get?
like if we getting it from Dairy Queen or your Blizzard. From the store, I say cookies and cream or butter butter pecan.
My favorite ice cream is It's cookies with ice cream. And I got 2 flavors.
Oh, your cookies.
And it got that red chocolate inside the ice cream like this. And I ate it before with the ice cream in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite ice cream too.
They
So,
can't even see you.
so right now,
And it's vanilla. And mine's vanilla.
Vanilla.
oh, they fun.
But what y'all watching this on?
If y'all don't know what's going on in the background, that is
Young dude.
for my sister.
It's not that cute. That,
A little memory thing. Her birthday was in a few months ago.
Yeah.
And,
I feel bad. Let me tell you.
we did a little
She
balloon
died.
release, and I came back and created this.
And my mom missed her sister.
Mm-hmm.
Because she did.
She passed away when we were
She
small.
didn't help me. She up there. But I miss her so much.
Come here, sorry.
Why stop stealing our lemons?
I don't like being on social media.
So,
I don't like people saying me.
if you what do I'm doing? If you
Trash.
If you
I saw it.
if you want to be watching on our TV, we watch
Oh, yeah.
this stuff.
I'll be right back.
That's how.
You know those candies that Nene always buys?
If we turn you around, you're gonna right in the back of our house, right there.
Nene made a chocolate flavor cone.
Play what?
Those little candy that have a little, whatchamacallit in it.
Yeah, I was going, ooh, all in my shirt. I'll be a little burrito or something. But I was supposed to. I guess this turned from a me mukbang to a little family mukbang, but ain't nothing wrong with that.
I'm gonna get it to go.
So right now,
Give me my stuff.
alright, I'm sorry y'all, but I gotta get out my good spot. You gotta get the spot, but
They can't see you over there. Okay.
so it's our favorite thing to do this thing. My mama, she got a favorite thing to do. My brother got a favorite thing to do, and I got a favorite thing to do. My Zai got a favorite thing to do.
I understand you, little well-dressed bird.
If you wonder what that sound like, that's our fan.
And it's a vacuum, isn't it? What's your vacuum?
Look at them. They want to come over here so bad, but they keep getting quiet. And Tiffany got them occupied.
My mom, she drinking soda right now. She had soda. She already soda is a fave.
What's her favorite soda?
That
It used to be, it went from Pepsi to Sprite for one point in time, and then Pepsi.
It's just too easy.
mine was red pepper.
I'm
But
sorry.
not
I
red.
like mine, Coke, a Cola.
I mean,
And mine is that.
Well, you did it, sir.
But
Yes,
I
you
can.
made that perfectly clear.
You think this is too much? What happened?
My mom,
We can make it work.
she know how to spell stuff right now.
Like, it
She
is.
know how to. Well,
Tomorrow,
if,
we could go kidnap
if you wonder why I
Some of
like
your spirits.
Michael Jackson so much, I'm gonna dress up as her for
but
Halloween.
without him, what's the point?
She got a mustache.
Ain't,
Nothing.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but you will see next time we make another video.
I'm gonna try that.
Next time we make another video, I'm gonna
But
show
try
you
this right. Get this hair.
What you gonna show them?
that I'm not dressing up stuff right now, but when Halloween is over, I'm gonna show you.
We'll be on the way to you on make Halloween.
We never really know how good we have it until it's gone. We miss you, Metro Man. I miss you.
I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I am
And I have just one question for
tearing this
Metro.
food up. To be honest, I ain't ate all day. This is my first time eating.
This is
And I was trying to let them talk.
What did it?
If you wonder why they not eating, it's because they food right there. They ate before they got on camera.
And wrap that up and get
They just decided to get this old man. He can't even get up.
Wait, Roxy.
Well, it's just me and my mom. Well, we got merch right now. But I really like we'll wear it, but we're gonna show you our merch. But somebody's calling my mom, and when she answered, y'all can't do anything because somebody calling. Dude, my daddy here right now. My mom, she saw a dark figure thing, but that's scary. Well, we had RC cars into my brother brought my mom control. Oh, you ready? Some shoes now. Shoes. Did you go answer with me? This is my adorable kid. We can see him. I'm all the way over here.
What?
Your hair.
We're right there.
What's your name? Your life out here. So this for the monkey, Zaya, DJ, Lover, and Shaquille. Both were. My real name is DJ, and like my dad's name.
They can't see you, DJ.
Oh, sorry. I was just looking at TV. But sorry.
They mind occupied, y'all. Mine was too. Oh, I was thirsty. One thing about it, that some don't quench your thirst, you just good, make you feel good, taste good, like I'm in the burn my throat.
We're gonna make your hands like that.
But, oh, same word. What?
Hey, give us your down.
You went and got some more, but you can't get none.
I can't see you anymore.
Cause you wasn't talking.
I'm sorry, I wasn't talking. I just love watching
Calm
TV.
down, honey.
This is my favorite. Did I?
You might need to get right here.
Did I?
Yeah.
I believe someone can stand up to their mind.
We switching. That's it.
It's what they say, heroes aren't born.
Hello now. I'm sorry, Real Monkey. His name is Real Monkey. His last name is Real Monkey. Yeah.
Alright, put stick down.
His very last name is Willy Walker. Willy Walker.
What you doing, son?
I need that pillow. So hey, I think my sister's not gonna be on. We're gonna be on YouTube. Hey y'all. No, my mom is gone. You can kind of see my sister. Let me.
Oh, I wanted to show.
Yeah.
He didn't get big.
You don't want to get recorded.
Stop!
My mom, she's probably going to get ready. We wonder why we keep stopping.
Okay, guys, we're about to end this video, and we'll holler at y'all next time. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe.